Okay, so guys, welcome again. It's a new week, so I'm going on the XYs. I'm here to analyze the DXY, what's happening on the DXY, and what I'm expecting on the DXY. So I want to go on a sell on the DXY soon. I'm going on a sell on the DXY. That's the dollar index, and once the dollar index is high, that's is uptrending, is bullish. Other currencies which appear with it is bearish. So you can see this USD is bullish from this angle here. It's bullish from this angle you can see right here. It's bullish from this rising wedge. This is bullish. So once I go on like the NZD, so this is NZD JPY. So once I go on on NZD USD to say, you can see there's a falling wedge here and there is a rising wedge on the DXY. So that's how it works. Whichever currencies that is paired with the US dollar goes in correlation, the goes in, once the DXY is bullish, that currency is going to be bearish. And once the DXY is bearish, that currency is going to be bullish. So that's how it works. Here, let's go on the daily time frame. So let's start our analysis from the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame on the DXY. This is what I have on the DXY daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can we see? We can see from this particular point, this is a bearish move. From this point here, so this is a bearish move if we all agree to this. So this is a bearish move, and this bearish move right now the bearish move just break a point that I've been holding for a while. So this is a point that I've been holding for a while now. This particular side is acting as a this particular point that I'm marking out right now is acting as support for a long time now. So let me mark them out for you to see. So you can see all the zones I'm marking out. This zone is acting as a support. So a support is whenever the price of the particular asset comes to a particular zone, it gets a rejection to the upside. That's the support. A resistance is whenever it comes to that particular price point or price level, it gets rejection to the downside. So it's vice versa. That's how it works. That's how the support and the resistance works here. So you can see from, let's see, from Thursday 2022 June, this has been holding 2022. So this point is not just a point, it's a very strong point. They are active buyers here. Whenever it comes, they push it upwards. So it means there are strong buyers around this zone. Before this zone gets weak to break, you can see there's a lot of rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The seventh one is the break now. So you can see this zone is very active. A break from this zone, it means a sell. It's going to be a massive sell. So what can we see here? From June 2022 is almost a year now, and we are in July right now. So this is almost a year of this zone holding. A year. So a year support zone has just been broken on the DXY. So if a year support has been broken, what are we looking for? Are we still looking for a buy? For now, I'm not expecting much buy on the DXY. Is there not going to be any buy anymore? There's going to be buys for sure, because the market doesn't move in one direction. It entails of a series of buys and sells. That's what move the market. That's what move the price of any asset. So participants do buy and sell. So but most of what you are going to see is sales. Like we said, you can see there is sales from, it has been selling from this zone. It has been selling from this zone. You can see whenever it sells, it comes to a zone, goes back again, sells. So it has been selling and it's still selling. I'm expecting more sales too. the downside. So I'm expecting sales to this particular point from here. I'm expecting a sell from here at least to this side. Then once we get a retest once more, we sell. So this is what I'll be expecting more on the DXY. And I'll be breaking it down for you more. Just stay and watch how it's going. I just want you to be clear. That's why I'm taking it bit by bit. So we have confirmations of sales. I have my confirmations of sales already. So after breaking this zone, showing me that there is a bearish confirmation with this big push of the candle, we can see this retest. If we were here, if I saw this move, I'll take it. Definitely I'll take this move. But I wasn't active on the DXY, so I dropped the DXY for a while because of some series of move I don't understand. So I went on the JPYX, that's the Japanese yen index. I went on there and I'm still there, though I'm here to analyze and check what's happening on the DXY. So this is what we have on the DXY. We have this support stone resistance. So the zone that I've been holding for a while now, the support that I've been holding for a while is now turning to resistance. So whenever you see the market comes back here, it's going to reject back to the downside, and we can see this first rejection is going back to the downside. So support is now turning to our resistance. That's what we have. So here also we have a series of resistance along this zone. This zone, you can see me draw a box here. There are resistance zone. These are resistance zone. So they are active sellers here. Whenever the price of the XY comes, the price of the asset comes here, we get series of rejection, and I'm on the daily time frame. So any of the rejection you see here is massive. It's massive because this is a daily time frame. Every candle you see is moving for a day. Before it opens in a day and closes in a day, that's 24 hours. So here now it's turning to our resistance level. So what are we looking for to see? What am I looking for to see right now? This is what I want to see. I want a retest also to that particular zone that I've been having some series of retest and rejection. So that's one has been having some series of rejection. Now it's turning to support, it's turning to resistance, the support is turning to resistance. So here also we would love here to turn to our resistance point, then we can sell this particular zone. We want there to turn to our resistance zone, then we can sell from that zone. But since we are trading, maybe you are trading a smaller account, you can't sell right now. You have to wait for a clear move to the downside, a clear change of character and everything. This is bearish, but right now you can see you can't sell here because you don't know what might happen here. So you have to wait to see some series of rejection, because I'm expecting it to drop off this zone. I'm expecting the price to drop off this zone, then we'll continue moving to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting on the DXY. I don't know how it's going to go, so I'm expecting this. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I drew my rising wedge. So what I would love to see also on this rising wedge is, I would love to see, I don't know the particular point is going to break, but I want to see a break, then a retest on the rising wedge, then I'll sell. Personally, this is what I'm waiting for. I don't know where it's going to break yet, but wherever it breaks, this is what I want to see. And for now, I'm not buying and I'm not selling unless I see this. If I should see this break and I should see the retest, this is what I want to see. If I should see the break and I should see the retest, then I'm going to sell off there. I'm going to sell off this zone to the zone I showed to you on the daily time frame. So that's how it's going to work for me. That's how I'm going to do it. Then since this one is selling now, I'm going to maybe NZD or GBP, JPY, and I'll be buying also I'll be buying from that zone. So this is what I have. This is the 4 hour. I can go down to the day 1 hour. It's still the same thing I'm saying, same thing. I just want a break. I want to break of this particular zone. This particular zone, I know I should see a rejection around here. If I should see a rejection around here and a rejection and it breaks and I see a retest, I'm selling. So this is what I'm waiting for. Waiting for to see this. And you can also take note of this once you see this, guys. We are selling. Massive sell. Lambo lot size, guys. It's a new week. Let's not waste any pips this week and let's not leave our money on the table. Just take anything the market gives you, but make sure you take the best you can. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care.